Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are today. Today is August 25th, 2019, about 10:30 in the morning, and I'm on the Strip to take a look at the construction update of the Resorts World Las Vegas. But first, a flashback. In March 2007, Boyd Gaming demolished the Stardust Resort and Casino with plans to build Echelon Place. Unfortunately, construction was halted during the economic crisis of 2008. They even had the renderings, and it looks, looked pretty nice. The land pretty much lay bare for a number of years, and then Boyd Gaming sold the 87-acre site to Malaysia-based Genting Group for $350 million. That was in March of 2013. And the Genting Group, they have properties around the world with casinos, resorts, a cruise line, and other items. That's me in Malaysia, standing in front of the Petronas Towers, looking sweaty and lost as usual. Ah well, what are you gonna do? The groundbreaking ceremonies for Resorts World Las Vegas happened in May of 2015, and a lot of renderings were released to the public. They had plans on having a replica of the Great Wall of China, a panda exhibit, and I think even like a small Forbidden City type construction in there. But over time, the ideas have changed. Now, from what I've read, they are not going with the Asia theme. They're going just with maybe a themeless type of casino, just casino, gambling, hotels, and that sort of thing. It will be Resorts World Las Vegas will be 59 stories, 3,400 rooms, about 110,000 square feet of casino space, which is 10,000 square meters, with Baccarat as the dominant table game. Have a 3,200 a 3,200 seat theater, and 100,000 square feet or 14,000 square meters of casino space. Now, I am not sure how popular Baccarat actually is, but I know it's popular in some parts of Asia, as when I was in Macau, it was a long time ago, I was roaming in the Sands Casino, and Baccarat was really popular in some of the rooms. I saw they were just jam-packed. Then again, it could have been just that the Sands had just recently opened, and people, a brand new casino, you want to see it, you want to experience, people were just hanging out. Okay, back to Resorts World. The exterior does not look very different in these last few times I've been down here. So I presume a lot of work is going on the interior with some plumbing and fitting out the room, or fitting out the shells for all the rooms. So it's due to open in 2020, but they say, I read somewhere it says 2020-ish. So we'll see how that goes. All right. All right, everybody, thanks again for watching today. This is OneManOneCamera saying, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. This is a very, very, very interesting shopping area. I'll see you later. Bye.
France, in Lille, northeastern France, from a sporting event. And they had a unmanned train gate for the city tram or subway, whatever it was. So you could buy your ticket from the machine, and then you would put into the machine, into the gate, but it was open, there was no wicket thing. And it would like, I guess, date stamp it or something, zzz, and that's it. And you walk in, you ride, and then you keep it when you leave, okay? I bought a ticket every time, but one day in the paper I was reading, that little English paper, I was reading and it said that there are inspectors checking for tickets for you people who are not buying tickets, so be careful. I said, I'm not afraid. I got my ticket. The next day, I went somewhere, I came back to my hotel area. Sure enough, here comes a gentleman. Monsieur, les billets s'il vous plaît. And I said, ha ha ha, I was ready. Yoink. I showed him my ticket. He says, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. And I was on my way, freeze the bird. But some people got caught, and they did not look happy at all because he had his, his tickets. I guess he got a penalty, whatever it was, and he was writing a penalty for the French franc penalty. This is before the euro, the French franc penalty, and they were not happy. A couple of chicks, ladies, not chicks, sorry, babes. And but yeah, Lille, nice place. I recommend France too. The best baguette I ever had was in France. I was doing laundry, and next door was a bakery, and I just got a little baguette. I went there 3 times when my wash was going. God, it was good. Visit France, you'll enjoy it.